Alright guys, now that we've got our DISA valve all taken care of here, we're going to place this baby back where it belongs. Let's see here. This one was kind of a chore to get out. Just because, you know, me being impatient, I didn't probably remove everything I was supposed to, and this plastic guy's in the way. There we go. Haha. All right. So one thing on this, right here we got our new O-ring. It's going to take a little bit of wiggle force to actually get back in there to seat right. You don't want to see the O-ring, and it is going to be a little tight to get that in there, which is good. All right. We got our screws here. And our T40. Top one in, and the bottom screw is just kind of hiding back down under here. We definitely put our electrical connector back on. Right, so we've got a screw up here. The other screw is right down here. This is me not wanting to drop it. This is going right in by hand. The long T40 makes it nice. I don't have to worry about an extension in there. We'll use a short one here for the top. Guess what? Shouldn't put that electrical connector back on yet. Snug it down. Now we can put that electrical connector back on. We're going to just make sure this bottom one's snug down as it should be. Perfect. All right, now from here we just need to put our air intake box back in. What I like to do before I bolt anything down, I am going to reconnect the airflow meter and make sure this is secure. This hose clamp. Otherwise, I'll forget. Ask me how I know that, because I forgot before. All right, so that's on there good. That's plugged in. Our DISA valve's plugged in. 2 10mm bolts for our air box here. Ratchet's special. It's losing its adjustability is loosening up on it. There we go. Got that in. Got all the connections done. We are done, folks. Tell you what, if you like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Now that is how you reinstall the DISA valve, put your air box back in, and get your cart back on the road. Thanks for watching, everybody.